The founder of ARTDESHINE is Alfred Yao. Alfred is from Singapore, and his background is chemistry.
So Alfred Yao lives in Singapore, where it rains and is hot and humid at all times. So water spotting was the biggest issue that he was facing there.
All of the products that he used, he was not satisfied with. So he was not satisfied in the sense that the products that he was using did not meet the claims that what he was expecting. So in turn, his chemistry background, he started playing around with different compounds and different polymers and being able to test them on his own vehicles and really established his own product line.
So he developed art coatings, which provided a lot of heat rejection and a lot of heat dispersion rate and UV protection.
So Artdeshine is in 45 countries worldwide with a wide variety of products from shampoos all the way through coatings.